So far in this series we've left lovely Canada and travelled down the west coast through Washington and Oregon and arrived in sunny California. A quick overnight in San Francisco, arriving in LA just in time for an awesome VW show. We had the best time ever in LA, staying with Chris and Megan for over a week, going to see Venice Beach and having barbecues. It was bloody awesome, but then it was time to say goodbye. So here we are in Las Vegas. This has got to be the craziest city I think I've ever visited. Camping right on the strip, we had an absolutely awesome time. Maybe my speech is a little bit slurred. This might not really go into the vlog. Maybe it will. Anyway, let's see what happens. My name's Ivan O'Connor and I'm currently travelling the world and have been doing so since January 2016. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, maybe leave me a comment and subscribe. I'd love it if you did that. Tell me, have you ever been to Las Vegas? What did you think of it? Yeah, it is expensive, I know. It doesn't have to be though. We stayed on the strip for a whole week for $160. So walking around Las Vegas, actually there is quite a few different ways that you can get around. You can get a bus that costs $8 and that lasts 24 hours, so you can get around up and down the strip. Or if you're crafty like us, you get the trams in between the hotels. We've just done the one from the Mandalay Bay to the Excalibur, and now we're walking across to get on another one that's in the MGM, and it's free. Free's good. Just walking through New York now. It's pretty crazy in here actually. We've got cobbled floors. And yeah. Caesar's Palace. As you can see, it's a bit mental, this ceiling, but it's well renowned, isn't it? You know about the ceiling already. So it's the first time I've seen it, and it's a pretty good ceiling. Where you can get a bloody Caesar for, I don't know whether you can see this, but through there is the prices, and it's $69 for that. That's mental.
The next day.
So we're getting on the tram again, and we're going to Cabo Wabos again, because we're going to meet up with Gary and Donna. Now, if you don't know who Gary and Donna are, I met up with them in Saskatchewan, just north of Regina. So it'd be lovely to see them, because I haven't seen them for quite a little while, probably a year. Might be getting on a year. Anyway, you have. And Kiera saw Gary in the pub that she worked at in Bournemouth as well. Small world, isn't it? Anyway, let's go and get on this tram. See if we can find Gary. He's bound to be in here. Hi, dude. Just, I can see him. I can see him. Up there. Hey, hey. You fucker. It's Gary and Donna. Hey! So after leaving Gary and Donna and drinking probably far too much beer, we ended up walking round the strip yet again and ended up in an Irish bar. Irish bar now, and we've met this lovely lady, and well, here she is.
And it's quite lovely. Quite lovely. I didn't know you can't cuss on YouTube. Are you sure? Hey.
Morning. Time to leave Las Vegas. We just filled up with water and emptied our tanks at an RV park. We sneaked in. Gotta go and get some food. Gonna go to Walmart, and then we're not gonna go far today. We're actually gonna go to just south of the Hoover Dam. We just pulled over. We haven't even got to the Hoover Dam yet. I keep losing power, so I don't know what's going on. Catch up with us next time, with us spending a night in a garage and spending copious amounts of money on the RV. If you've made it this far in the video, then you might as well give it a like while you're here. And why not subscribe so you can keep up with my travels, and click that little bell so that you get notifications. You know it makes sense.